we will have to see in the future. But for now,
thank God for Europe, guys.
let's talk about let's have like a steer on direction on that. Why is it taking Apple so long to transfer from Lightning connection to USB-C?
Because
they were
USB-C
I can
nearly
answer that with one
forced to
answer.
do.
I can answer that with two syllables.
Okay.
Money. Because the best way to do it is they were the only people in the world. I want you to answer it right now. Who else was using a Lightning port?
no one.
Oh, nobody.
Nobody. Everyone was using USB-C. It's no fun to go out and buy another USB-C for all your other devices. Go out and buy an Apple brand Lightning cable
But
from your local Best
Here's
Buy.
here's my thing.